Smash and Slice smashes In-N-Out. Guess who's back? Today, I'm so excited because we're eating Smash Burger. Sheesh. Got the wedge fries. They're ranch, bomb, house made. Got the sugar-free Coca-Cola. We got a brat burger with the smash sauce, raw onions, and pickles. Cheers. These fries, to die for. They are so crispy. They're perfectly cooked. They're so good. The bun, the leppy, the meat, smashed. Hence the name. They never miss. It's always a hit. You don't normally get this many fries unless you order them separately. I should note. Normally we'll do the fries and drink, but because I had my own drinks at home, I just opted for a side of fries and it came loaded. I was not expecting to have that many fries. Pickled, thick and crispy. Right there. A pickle. They have just enough pickles throughout the burger that you have a bite of pickle with essentially every bite of burger. If you're a pickle enthusiast like me. Yeah. Last bite.
Just get to the fucking burping already.
Jeez, what's all this eating about? I think I broke my microphone.